In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-publish Reels using Meta Business Suite. Open your browser and head to business.facebook.com. This takes you to Meta Business Suite, which is the central dashboard for managing both Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you're signed in to the account that manages your brand or organization so you can see the right assets. From the left-hand panel, select the Facebook page you want to work with. This ensures that the tools and composer pull in the correct connections for publishing. If your Instagram account is connected to that page, you'll see options for both platforms in the composer later on. Next, click Create Post. If you prefer a calendar view or want to double-check upcoming content, you can go to Planner and then click Create from there. Both paths open the same creation window, so use whichever view helps you stay organized. At the top of the composer, choose where you want this reel to publish. You can select Instagram, Facebook, or both. Turning on both is a great way to maximize reach with a single upload, and the composer will show you the platform icons so you always know what's selected. Now upload your video. For best results, use a vertical 916 file so it fills the screen as a reel. A standard MP4 in vertical format with clear audio works well. Keep your subject centered and any on-screen text away from the edges so captions and interface elements don't cover it. Make sure the format is set to reels in the composer. You'll typically see an option to switch between a standard post and a reel. Selecting Reels tells Meta to treat your upload with the right format, placement, and features designed for short-form vertical content. Add your caption. Aim for a strong opening line and include relevant hashtags or mentions if they fit your content strategy. Keep it concise and readable on mobile. You can also add a clear call to action so viewers know what to do next after watching. When everything looks good, click Schedule. Choose the date and time you want the reel to go live. Double-check the time zone shown at the top of the scheduler so it matches when you intend the post to publish. If you're posting to both platforms, confirm the same time works for each audience. Once you've set it, click Schedule again to confirm. That's it, your reel will automatically publish at the time you selected. You'll see it appear in your planner with its scheduled status, and there's nothing else you need to do.